In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Replit account. By the end of this guide, you'll have seamless access to your Replit projects, ready to dive into coding and collaboration. Let's get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser that you regularly use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the screen, type in replit.com, and hit enter. This will take you directly to Replit's homepage, where you can see all the latest features and updates Replit has to offer. Now that you're on the Replit homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login button prominently displayed there. Go ahead and click on that login button. This action will take you to the login page, where you'll be presented with a few options to sign in. On the Replit login page, you have the flexibility to choose your preferred login method. You can choose to log in with your Google account, GitHub credentials, or simply use your email and password. Each option offers a secure way to access your account, depending on what you're most comfortable with. If you're a developer who frequently uses GitHub, that might be the most convenient choice for you. Alternatively, if you prefer keeping everything tied to your Google account, that choice is readily available too. Once you've decided on your login method, proceed to enter your credentials. This could mean entering your email and password if you're opting for the traditional login method, or simply selecting your Google or GitHub account if you choose either of these options. After entering your credentials, look for the Continue or Log In button and click it to progress forward. This step is critical as it verifies your information and grants you access to your Replit account. Remember, there's also an option for password recovery if you happen to forget your login details. Upon successfully entering your correct information, you will be directed instantly to your Replit dashboard. The dashboard is where all the magic happens. Here you can access your projects, start new collaborations, and explore a variety of resources that Replit offers to enhance your coding experience. And there you have it. Logging into your Replit account is as simple as these few steps. Now you're fully set up and ready to explore what Replit has in store for you. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, this platform makes it easy to start coding with efficiency and creativity. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!